No, I'm extra small.
We didn't find a boyfriend with that size.
I'll give it to Rudy. Perfect size.
You guys at the party? Yeah. Okay, okay. So just ask first, because we got him some gifts over here. You want me to drop them off at DMC? You want to get up?
But you can't leave early. Don't let her go early.
At 3 p.m. Yeah. Ask, but if you don't, I just, because we bought them gifts and we don't want to. I'll just drop them off because I live in Dallas. At 3 when I get off. If you're going to be there, because I don't want
Yeah,
to
so
be
let's
coming over here on one thing.
Kain kabsat.
Okay.
Friday. Dala ako ng lechon kanina. Oo. Sarap. Mm.
Yeah. Okay, we'll leave them here then. Okay, thank you to me. Bye. They all had a private party with them.
Send it to the courier.
All the supervisors.
Why I wasn't invited?
All right.
Morning.
I don't want to go to DMC anyway. I have to find a park and all that and all that.
Mm.
Okay, how much supposed to send this one? I don't have her passport.
You forgot your password?
Hers.
Why you need her passport? You said that. You can't go to her passport either. You heard from Marcel?
I'm calling myself earlier.
Huh?
I'm answering the phone.
Oh,
They want to go to Disneyland. My son is quitting.
Kaiser?
Oh, no, my son works in Disneyland.
Oh, okay.
He wants to go to Disneyland. I'm gonna put them in.
But you got one son to work at Kaiser, huh?
Oh, yeah. Salt Bay.
Huh?
Mm-hmm. With Jennifer's daughter.
You like it?
Huh?
I don't even work in
Yeah, he liked it there.
Tiama hired him?
Yeah.
She's the only one she hired because she wouldn't hire Sheila's brother.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Who?
She wouldn't hire Sheila's brother. Tiama wouldn't. And she wouldn't hire Mervin, my friend. And Mervin was Filipino too.
Who was this?
But she wouldn't hire him.
Who?
My friend Mervin, he's Filipino.
He's good worker?
Huh?
He's good?
Really good.
Oh, yeah.
He worked at Orchard.
Oh.
Kevin hired him. Tiama wouldn't hire him.
Why?
He emailed Tiama everything.
Really? Probably there's no open.
You know it was open. Tiama was bullshit.
What are you eating? Same thing?
Huh?
Same thing, yeah.
Egg roll?
There you go.
Did you see him?
No, you got one.
Did you close them out?
So whoever tracks it, he's gonna be the one making the smart chip, right?
Well, he makes it.
Anybody can make it.
It's much cheap.
While you're tracking,
Huh?
that's under your name.
Exactly.
Where I'm sending it right now, it's not under my name. I'm
Okay.
always sending it.
So you're okay.
I don't have nothing to do with Spencer, but oh, you tracked it. No, it's I didn't track
So
it.
it
Well,
doesn't
I
Just
tracked
closed it.
it. So I just closed it.
So you're still safe then. If
Yeah.
anything, yeah. Yeah.
I like it better because I don't have to make my smart chips anymore.
Yeah, that's better. Can you have the salad? Salad.
I guess Sir's will come here on his way out. Huh? You not coming? I'm telling you, when Rich was leaving, remember he came to all our clinics in the morning. Remember?
I'm gonna take this one, okay? For my
Go ahead.
for the white.
So you doing a lot of peaks now, or did it slow down?
I have 3 for tomorrow.
Oh, you haven't slowed down yet.
3 peaks. Usually April.
You slow down?
It's gonna slow down. No parties.
Why April?
I don't know. It's been like that.
Spring break.
Yeah, probably. April is kinda. There's 1, 2.
So how do you do now? Probably like 3 a week.
Still okay. I got 2. At least I got This morning I got 2. So still good. That's why I canceled I didn't pick up hours for Friday because
That's your busy day.
Michelle asked me what day I said Thursday, and I'm saying Thursday I could work early, not on Friday.
We had like 4 people here this morning.
4?
And it was dead. It wasn't busy.
Oh, this new. This
Because Mary
tomato.
was here.
Alfred, you put tomato in your salad? Yeah, nice.
Because Mary was here and everybody was working.
Mm.
So it's time to go.
Rigodon.
Where's the guy?
What time is it? Mm. Thank you, Lord, for the food.
When they were looking for the specimen.
Huh?
When I was looking for the specimen right now, I'm like, oh my god, I should put it on this one. You know what I'm saying?
Your mind is like,
Yeah.
Rigodon, rigodon.
This is good for urine drug screen, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
Okay, this is central.
Sir?
sometimes I don't like. Are you sure that some people like bringing the real urine because sometimes it came from their house? Those drag screens, they need to do it.
You need to give the system a cup and wait for them outside.
Yeah, because some of them are taking home.
Yeah, especially
Those-
for employment, they can send the
Yeah, man. Yeah. Can you address that one? No.
No?
Can you address it?
Okay,
Yeah, you can.
I will, because I think it's legality involved.
Right. Okay. Babush. Let's clean this one up. Some Victoria's Secret spray. Okay, pag pinagkainan, kailangan linisin. Tapos, sprayan mo ng Victoria's Secret para mabango.
Whoa, all the egg rolls finished?
I got it. I got that. You want more?
No. Huh?
Get one.
I was gonna get one.
Yeah. I got two, but let's share.
Oh, you already got one?
Yeah, no, just share. Get the other one. I got one.
You sure?
Save it.
In the cup?
The cup. I have one more.
Okay.
You can take it home.
I didn't even try it.
Huh?
I
You didn't
know?
Oh, okay, take it. You ate it already.
No.
It was there. Why you hiding it?
No one didn't see it. I know she brought them, but I'm like,
It's a good thing I kept two because she keeps on eating.
What was it called? That flower? The tabloid.